We've been lucking out here over the last 24 hours. The smoke has been really thick. Kai, you were just telling me, folks up in Chicago, it was really bad up there. Upper Midwest, Great Lakes, and back into the Northeast. That Canadian wildfire smoke has been very thick. Down here, we're kind of on the edge of it. So let's take a look at the air quality as monitored at the top of the hour. You can see most of the reporting stations here in Maryland are recording a moderate air quality, yellow. When it gets into the orange and the red, that's when it really starts to feel bad and people notice it. Most of the smoke right now, as represented here by this darker green shade, is up in Pennsylvania, New York State, and back into the Northeast. These lighter shades of blue showing just moderate conditions. And I think it'll stay that way through tonight and into tomorrow morning. We can actually model this stuff here. This is a futurecast for smoke. This is 5 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. Notice in the evening, though, some of that darker shade of green heads over towards Baltimore. So maybe late in the evening tomorrow around sunset, some of that will start to show up in the Baltimore Metro. We'll keep you posted. And speaking of wildfires, this is always a good time to remember that wildfires are preventable, most of them. 85% of wildfires are caused by people. That means that only 15% are caused by natural processes like lightning or something like that. So be careful with open flames outdoors, especially when it's been dry. If you're camping, make sure your campfire is put out properly. And if you're hiking or walking along trails in the woods, don't throw cigarettes into the grass. Seems like common sense, but a lot of this can be prevented.